Alright, 2 Roomba 500 series in demo mode. So, scoot them aside a little bit. Alright, here we go.
Hello, and welcome to your Roomba orientation. Let your robot clean routinely so you don't have to. I'll be helping you and Roomba get to know each other better. Because the more you learn about Roomba,
Holy shit!
and the more Roomba learns about you and your space, the cleaner your whole house will be. So how does your floor
Holy shoot.
Roomba is a vacuum. And here are the brushes.
It sounds like a broken loudspeaker. Oh, they're chasing each other. What the heck are they saying?
It may take a little longer to clean your room, but remember, Roomba cleans routinely. You don't have to.
What the heck have I just done?